I experience panic attacks.
Hmm.
Um, I've had episodes where they've lasted for weeks and months on end. Now it seems pretty much to happen just in my sleep.
You have panic attacks in your sleep.
I do.
What
Whatever
does that
reason.
look like?
Um, I'll just sometimes it's dream associated, but most times I don't notice that I'm particularly dreaming. I'll just wake up because my heart's pounding and I'm hot and sweaty and just feeling panicky.
Okay.
Um, yeah, so that's it's been about gosh 12 years that I've been experiencing the panic attacks, and like I say, most probably the last year and a half or so, or maybe even 2 years, it's just in my sleep for the most part.
Okay. So I'll be transparent here. The psychologist in me is really excited about this and would love to ask so many questions. Um, but I'm not a psychologist anymore. I do this. And
Yeah.
my gift is reading energy. So that's what I'm going to do. So is there anything else that you'd like to say?
I just like to say it's a pleasure to meet you because I've been following you a long time and I'm
Oh,
always
thank you.
been curious about what you do. So this is great.
Okay. So how is this issue for you at the moment, the panic attacks in your sleep? From, 0 out to 10.
Well, I'd probably give it probably a 7. It's
So 7
annoying.
means it's pretty good and you're
Oh,
kind
okay, I'm going the wrong
of
way.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll
So
give it a 4.
yeah, 4 or 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you say your full name 3 times to me, give me complete permission to read your energy, and I'll already have my eyes closed and I'll start reading your energy. And if you could not say anything while I'm reading your energy, that'd be fantastic. And we discuss it afterwards, okay?
Okay.
Okay. When you're ready.
Barbara Joan Page, Barbara Joan Page, Barbara Joan Page.
This might sound really wacky to you or maybe to other people listening. You have an entity that comes in and visits you. They used to have the power to visit you during the day, but they don't anymore. But they do have the power to visit you while you're asleep. They're not always entering your body, but they. Let me have a look at that closer. Oh, it's a really uncomfortable energy, so I'm going to actually come out of it a little. I wasn't in it, but I could really intensely feel it then. So yeah, this is an energy, and they start to really surround your body, and when they do it, it looks like between a mixture of fog and smoke. Um, it's black like smoke, but it surrounds you like fog, and it kind of seeps into you, and that's when you wake up, and that's when you're sweating and everything else. Um, I'm just asking energetic questions. It's related to, this might sound really crazy again, the First World War. And somehow there's permission in you for this to happen. Okay. Would there be any reason for permission for energy that's from the First World War to come into your life that you know of consciously?
No,
No.
not that I know of.
Okay. It's it's related to your granddad. Did you know your granddad?
No, no. Well, I knew one grandfather. I didn't know my paternal grandfather.
Yeah, this is your paternal grandfather, and it's your mum's dad.
Oh, it's my mother's
Yeah.
father. Oh, I did know him.
Yeah. And did he serve? Because I'm seeing medals as well.
I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know a
Okay.
lot about him.
It's I'm not sure if it was him, but he certainly had some medals. Um, so I'm seeing a ribbon and like it's either metal or silver um medal attached to it. So okay, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do an exercise where you're gonna we're not gonna do that exercise because isn't that we're gonna go straight for it and see if it works, okay? So we are going to remove any permission for this entity to come inside of you. Are you starting to feel this energy now? Yes or no?
Um,
Don't worry about the word.
sort of, yeah.
Yeah, okay, great. So that's good. So we got an anchor that shows that it would have changed. Okay. So hmm. It's attached to memories. That's his its gateway in is memories. And these memories are embedded into your central nervous system. Um, so you've literally been, that, okay, that makes sense. You've been given these memories through the birth line. Yeah,
Mhm.
okay. So this entity, this energy is trying to feel safety, and you are safe. And it wants to feel safe. Okay, and did anyone in your greater family suffer from mental health problems?
Not that I'm aware of,
Not that you're
but
aware
I
of.
but I do know that anxiety kind of runs down the line.
Yeah,
But actually on my dad's side, so wrong side.
well, okay. Okay, so just close your eyes, relax, put both feet of your feet on the floor and fully close your eyes and fully come into your body.
I warn you, I'm not very good at visualization.
That's okay.
I'll do my best.
Well, I'm not going to ask you to visualize anything.
Okay.
So fully come into your body, just feel what you feel. So you can feel your feet and you can feel your torso, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you can feel your hands, but you can't feel your arms that well, is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so allow yourself to feel your arms. So imagine your arms, but you focus in your arms and the blood will go there and you'll feel them. Okay, now you have pictures that are going on inside of your head. You may or may not be aware of these, but these some of these pictures are yours and some aren't. So just sense them, imagine them leaving you. So they're just leaving your head and you're deleting them, and the energy is going back to who and what and where it belongs. And I'm helping you do that. Do you feel a pressure on the top of your head?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So literally with your hand, literally remove what's causing that pressure. So, and throw it away out of the window. Okay. Okay, and on the left-hand side of your head, do the same thing again. It's more towards your forehead. Okay. And now open your eyes. How do you feel?
Better.
Okay. What I'm going to ask you to do, and you know, please just participate and have fun with it, is I'm going to ask you to put your hand on your head there, but then you're going to like twist it and you're going to throw it away. We're disconnecting a cord.
Okay.
So are you ready? And twist
Yeah.
it and throw it away. Good. And now do one at the back of your head, just here. Great. And now one just here. Okay, very good. And now just open up your heart and allow the truth of your bloodline, the truth of your family history, in terms of all of the things to celebrate, all of the joyful things, all of the love, to flood into your heart now and fill your body with these memories, with this energy, and ground you deep into the earth. And allow them to change the cellular structure of your body, to reprogram the cells, to relax the nervous system, and for the nervous system to know it's safe now to let go of any energy that's not its, that doesn't belong to the nervous system, that's not yours, that's not in present time, now. You feel like taking a deep breath or moving or doing anything. If your body needs to move right now, just do that. That's okay. You might want to stand up and shake. When you're ready, sit back down again. And after me, if it feels right, I want you to repeat what I'm going to say after me, okay? Out loud. So, I, Barbara Page,
I, Barbara Page,
no longer give you permission
no longer give you permission
to enter my space.
to enter my space.
Never mind my energy field or my body.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Never mind my energy field or my body.
Never mind my energy field or my body.
You're not allowed near me at all.
You're not allowed near me at all.
All our connections are broken.
All our connections are broken.
I command you to stay away from me now.
I command you to stay away from me now.
Okay, let's give that half a minute. Okay, you might get a headache later today, and that's okay. That's just things changing in your central nervous system. Okay. How do you feel right now?
I feel like I want to giggle.
Great, great. That's your energy. Laugh out loud. Go ahead.
Strange. That was interesting.
Woo!
Yeah, right. Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah. How do you feel now?
Good,
On the
good.
scale, 10 being fantastic.
Yeah, well, let's give it an 8. Let's go for it.
Job well done, I would say.
Yeah,
Thank you so
cool.
much for
Thank
volunteering.
you. That was
Pleasure.
fascinating. Thank you. And
Is there anything
it's
else you'd
interesting.
like?
Can I just, yeah,
Yeah,
I often have memories that I know aren't mine of places. And
absolutely. So please don't speak about the past. Let it be gone. It's gone now.
okay,
That's what we deleted.
gone.
Those pictures in your head that
Yep.
we deleted. Memory is not yours. Let them go.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Gone.
Okay, let me just double check. Yep. Yeah, great.
Cool. Great. Thank you very much.